This is the story of how a rigid logistics network became an intelligent, fluid one. This is the story of XPL. In the previous decade, we've all wanted a supply chain that is solid, scalable, and repeatable. Sourcing materials in one end and delivering finished products out the other. But linear just doesn't cut it anymore. With smaller quantity shipments, non-traditional delivery modes and same-day customer demands, the landscape of logistics has changed, and our outdated models can't bend without breaking. It's time for a new approach to logistics, with new partners, technologies, and service providers. XPL. A new mindset that hinges on ecosystems, scales predictably based on demand, and provides supply chain companies with a bridge into new innovations. Analytics, AI, and automation can help determine where advantage is hidden and capitalize on it right away, without compromising your original network. Because after all, XPL is just a shift in perspective. XPL, the new frontier.